Hi guys, I am Himanshu from the CMS guys. In this video, I will show you how to create a portfolio website in under 5 minutes using WordPress step by step. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified about new videos uploaded every week. Let us look at the website demo before diving in the tutorial. So here you can see that this is the single page website where at first we have a name of the developer, and then we have this beautiful effects over here where we have different text like expert in digital marketing, web development. Then we have these social media icons. Moving to the next section, here on the left side we have a image, and on the right side we have a title. Then we have a heading over here. Then we have this paragraph text. Then we have a progress bar with these two buttons over here. Moving to the next section, this is the services section where we have these icon boxes, and when we are hovering over it, you can see the background color of this icon box section is changing. Moving to the next section, this is the portfolio section with this filter button where you can check the categories like brand, design, graphics, and whenever you will hover over each of the gallery items, you are going to get a title, description with these two buttons over here. Moving to the next section, this is the carousel of logos of the client with the heading over here. Then we have this client logos. Moving to the next, this is the testimonial section where when we are hovering over this testimonial section, we are getting a background effect over here. Moving to the next, this is the latest blog section where we have these different blogs over here. Now in the next section, here you can see that this is the contact section where we have three icon boxes with phone, email, address. Then we have the form over here. Then we have our copyright text. Now let me show you the mobile view of this site, and this is how it's going to look like in mobile view, and this means it is fully responsive website. Alright, now let me show you how to build this website in 5 minutes. For this we need to first log inside our WordPress dashboard. So let me quickly enter my username and password, then click on this login button to get inside my WordPress dashboard. So here you can see that this is the WordPress dashboard, and first of all let's see how our website looks like currently. So here you can see that in this website currently this 2022 theme is activated and it is completely blank over here. Now let's go, and here from the dashboard we are going to take help of a plugin over here. So for that, hover over this plugins and click on this add new to install the plugin. And now on the right side you will find this search plugin option. Search here for all-in-one WP migration, and once you will search here for all-in-one WP migration, you are going to get a list of plugin names over here, and this is the plugin that we are going to use, all-in-one WP migration by Submask. Just click on this install now button and let's wait till this installation completed so that we can activate this plugin and we can use this plugin to build our site in under 5 minutes only. So here you can see that this plugin is installed. So let's click on this activate button to activate this plugin over here. Now it is activated, and on the left side bar you will see like we are getting one all-in-one WP migration option. Hover over it and click on this import button. Now once you will click on this import button, you can import the template file here. So just drag and drop the file over here and it will start importing the file. We also have a companion video for this website that is around 2 hours long, which will teach you how to build this website from scratch without using this file. You can save your time to build the website using the template we showed you in this video. You can get this template from the link given in the description. Alright, here you can see that this import process will override the website including the database, media, plugins and theme. So click on this proceed button and we are done. For our existing course members, there are 20 plus ready to use templates curated by our team available under the template section on the course dashboard, where you can easily able to click on this download template button and you can use any of the template that is showing over here attached with the screenshot here. Feel free to use any of them for your future projects and get your website ready in under 10 minutes. Now let's see. Here you can see that our import has already successful. So let's click on this finish button, and now in the new tab I am going to refresh this page. And once you will refresh the page, here you can see now our website is completely imported. Hope you like this video tutorial. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.